What's up, everyone? Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Memoirs of a Black Hole. I hope all you guys are doing good. Hope all you guys woke up on the good side of the bed. Nothing but positivity is rolling through. Nothing but clarity is coming through. What's up, gang? I hope you guys been doing wonderful. Okay. Hope you guys are in some good energy. Guys, I'm gonna be using this oracle deck to get you guys some messages from Mommy God and Father God and see what's going on in this big old atmosphere that we're in right now. Nature is speaking loud and fucking clear, guys. Like loud and fucking clear. It's some messages that's been going out. I don't know, guys. It's some messages that's been going out. Some of you guys probably need to go outside, and it may not be the best weather that you guys are experiencing right now. But definitely the winds do have a message. I'm saying they have some messages, baby. They have some messages. And it is being heard loud and clear. So maybe you guys need to connect with Mother Nature and see what's going on in this big old globe of ours, guys. We're in a simulation, so we know we got to keep in tune with our higher ups so we can know what's next, because baby, it's some shit going down. It's some shit going down, guys, behind the scene, whether they want to tell you guys or not. It's some shit going down, and y'all, it feels fucking beautiful outside. I'm telling you, I enjoyed my walk. Oh my God. Like, I think when we was walking, it could have been like right at 29 degrees. Right now it's 32 degrees right now. The sun is out, the skies are clear, but the wind was just like just pushing, and it was like it was super cool, guys. I'm telling you. So if you guys haven't been outside, I don't know where the weather look. I'm telling you. Weather, how's the weather where you guys are at in your guys' neck of the woods? But you guys should definitely connect. Angels have messages for you chosen ones. It's time. It's time to start planning. Angels have messages for you chosen ones. Yup. Us royal ones. It's time is all I keep hearing. That's all I keep hearing, guys. So, I'm going to confirm them with Old Faithful. Y'all know I have to pull Old Faithful out. Yeah. It's time, guys. That's all I keep hearing. Wherever we going, I hope we have coffee, I hope you guys know y'all roles and duties to where we're going. You kind of similar have a hint and a clue of your roles and duties to what you're gonna be doing in this promised land. I think I'm a teacher, guys. I think I don't think I have, like, my gut is telling me, like, all the cards, like everything I've been working with has been kind of telling me that I'm supposed to teach at our new place. Yay! How super cool is that? So yeah, guys, it's getting close to that time. So we gonna have to boogie on up, and we gotta know our jobs and duties, because we got a place that we gotta run, and that place needs us and is ready for us and it wants us. Okay. Yeah, guys, that walk was fucking amazing. The wind was blowing so beautiful. Like, the wind was like, I have a message. And I was like, dear, why tell it, sweetheart? Speak, say what you have to say what's on your mind. And she gave me a fucking push. She gave me and my daughter a push. She went, I was like, wait a minute. Okay, first card out. We have wolf out. We have instinct out. Um, Hold on, guys. I got some fuzz or something on my lips from this lip gloss. But anyway, the first card coming out. So wands is all about you, yourself, self, and origins. So you guys need to trust your instinct. Whoever you are, wherever you are around this big old simulation, you guys need to trust your instinct. You guys are loners right now. I'm talking to a lot of people who are loner wolves. It's no wolf pack. It's just loner wolves. I'm talking to a lot of loner wolves. Don't trip on it. You're about to meet your fucking pack. You're a loner for a reason. The people that's surrounding you is not your pack. You're about to meet your pack. I'm telling you, we all about to boogie up. I'm telling you. So for number one to come out, you guys need to be y'all in some energy where you guys are trusting your instinct. Like y'all know some shit is up. You know you're gonna have to leave a lot of people behind, leave the crowd behind, leave the pack. A high pitch just now, left ear. That could be very symbolic to someone. Or they could be trying to turn their tuning devices up to hear what it is that I'm saying, because you know they have all kind of devices, but all their devices have been blocked from me. They can no longer interfere with me anymore. My energy, my aura blocks they radio waves. It blocks everything. They have interference when they're trying to tune into me. So it is what it is. Okay. So we got wolf out, instinct out, first card. Some of you could live around mountains. It could be snow right now. You could live around a lake or a pond, a body of water. Second card out, we got rain, purification. What I'm getting is some rains is coming, guys. Lots of rain will be coming, guys. Lots of rain will be coming. So, you guys probably already know that. Hold on, guys. Let me see if I can get some light. You know, light is always my little problem. Since I came out, it's me and light. Light has always been shining so bright on me. Like, I know I'm a bundle of light, but when I need extra light, it's like, it's blinding. Flashing lights. So we got rain out. We have purification out, guys. I'm getting some rains is coming. Purification is coming. What I'm getting is healing is coming to a lot of us too. You guys could feel pure, because all this negative and dark energy is, excuse me, guys, is being removed. So a lot of you guys are going through some purification, detoxing, and every fucking thing. A lot of shit is moving the fuck about your life. I'm getting wild storms though. The way this card is going, pay attention to the rain. Y'all, I said I was gonna try to stop working out. I notice I say a lot, but I know hemming and almonds, that's like very symbolic to something, because I was like, you know, in speech classes, when you're doing speech classes and public speech, and you gotta kind of not say you know, not try to have run-along sentences, you know. And I was like, I may stop saying so much, but then my angels are like, no, that's part of who you are. So I notice I always say after pretty much every fucking thing I tell you guys. I'd be like, I don't know, it just comes, guys. And I was like, when I said that I was gonna stop saying it, my angel showed up and was like, don't stop nothing about you. You are who you are for a reason. And I was like, okay. You know, society wants to correct every fucking thing. They say, fuck society. I'm telling you what they tell me. They say, fuck society, straight up. They say, fuck society. I say no more. Don't make me light this candle on them. That fuck you, society gonna feel it as soon as that match hit. But I'm getting some wild rains coming, y'all. Some storms coming. Some bad storms coming, oh guys. And that's number 2. That's like partnerships. It's coming as like the second card. Like people that you live with, people that you families. It's like your fellow American, fellow brother, fellow sisters, citizens of the world. It's some shit coming to this world. But, you know, they had no business building on this motherfucker. It was not supposed to be built on. That's what they got. But the builders didn't want to listen to the other, to the stone. They rejected that stone. No, shut up. She knows nothing. It's a fucking woman. We're not going to listen to her. And now look. The stone that you rejected tried to tell you dumb bitches don't do that. Okay. Oh, okay. Well, because that stone was feminine, divine feminine. She didn't know what the fuck she was talking about to them. Now they looking for that stone. And you want me to tell you what that stone said? Fuck, I'm goofy. What else, team? They said they gonna let that rain pour sit marinate so they can understand how serious this is. Okay, team. Okay. Oh, fuck. Y'all. Tsunami. Wake up call. Wake up call. I'm telling y'all, these people not telling the truth. Some bad storms coming to this bitch. Some heavy rains coming to this bitch. And a fucking badass tsunami is coming to this motherfucker. A badass tsunami coming to this motherfucker. Your ancestors want you to know it. Your ancestors want you to know it. You feeling it all through your body. It feels like tingling sensations. Like some type of tingling sensation is going through your whole body. You can feel it. That's your ancestors, baby. That's exactly who they is. That's number 3. That's creation. That's creativity. That's coexistence with people. Like this is a wake up call for all. I'm getting some badass tsunami gonna come through this bitch, and for it to come right behind rain too. And wolf is number 1. Trust your instincts. I'm telling you, we about to get on down the road. I'm being that bitch like Dorothy too. I'm telling you. When I chunk the deuces to this raggedy motherfucker, this what they should have called the Big Raggedy. But they call Baton Rouge the Big Raggedy. No. This mother earth is the Big Raggedy, okay? This fucking planet is the Big Raggedy. I'm telling you, it's greatness. It's greatness, y'all. They want you to think, oh no, this is it. This is what it's so beautiful. It's greatness. I'm telling you, y'all, it's amazing greatness. It's beautiful places. This not all, bro. This is what they program us to think. Why they already trying to live there. They trying to get there, but they can't get in them bitches because they need you chosen ones. See, where you from can't no other outside existence live on this bitch. Not unless they are the blood. Not unless they are the blood of you. Now unless this DNA don't run through their body, they can't even live at these places, y'all. I'm telling you. That's why they kept us here as prisoners. That's why they kept going in the labs trying to create fucking people in the labs, trying to steal our DNA, put in a man-made creation so they can see if they can get people up there to live where you're originally from. And them bitches can't live there. Them bitches, they can't live there. They die instantly. They fail, y'all. All these motherfucking rich-ass motherfucking scientists and brainiacs and all these They feel it has got to be pure, bitch. It has got to be pure, bitch. And so since they know that we the only ones that can be up there, them bitches try to keep us prisoners. Yep. They're not going no fucking where if we can't live on there with them. Because once we leave this here, bitch, this is what happens to they shit. So they had a choice to let us go, but you know, since they can't come, they didn't want to let us go. Hell and damnation was gonna come to them either way it go. You had a choice. Like I said, they could have saved their fucking humanity. And you know, y'all stay here, y'all finish, y'all scientists, y'all brainiacs, right? Okay, well, figure out how to make y'all people live as long as y'all can without these special beings on this planet anymore. And y'all simulation. Y'all couldn't figure that out because y'all too busy trying to get somewhere that don't belong to y'all. Instead of trying to figure out how can we last longer on our fake prison planet. Y'all use all your funds. You use all your brains. You used all the knowledge you had. You used a lot of you wasted fucking lives, every fucking thing, and for what? And for what? And for what? What else, team? I told y'all, nature was talking loud and clear. Y'all gotta get out there. Y'all gotta get out there and get some downloads. I don't care where the fuck y'all at. It may be snowing. It may be tornadoes may be ripping through. Winds may be sharp. You know, it's all around this motherfucker. Got energy all over it. So, full moon completion. And I just said something may happen around a full moon. Something may happen around a full moon. You know, the moon plays a big role in their waters. Okay. But when they moon not no longer working no more, what's going to happen to them waters? Okay. Something happens. Some completion comes. Some completion comes. And what is so beautiful about this completion is what's so beautiful about this illustration in this full moon is the tree. It's the tree out of all. It's the tree of all that's standing out right now. This is giving me tree of life. It's going to be something that everyone going to see. So it's going to be visible. Something going to happen. Everyone will see. Something gonna be completed. Y'all, we gonna be something about to go down. It's going up a notch. Clouds shape shifting. Some shit gonna happen. Some shit gonna happen. Y'all know these clouds are already. I don't give a fuck. Is vessels hitting in them clouds? Them clouds not just what the fuck you think they are. I'm telling you, them clouds are not just what the. Look what's at the bottom. Dawn, new beginnings. New beginnings come. And I'm telling y'all, we go some fucking well. We go some fucking well. Oh, it's gonna be the people, bro. Oh, we go somewhere, y'all. New beginnings, river, movement, mountain, strength, stone people. Dance, celebration, tree grounding, sanctuary. Ooh. Something gonna happen that is so fucking major, y'all. We got clouds shape-shifting out. Them clouds gonna start doing, y'all. Them clouds gonna turn into fucking vessels on y'all, and y'all gonna see some shit gonna turn real. Some shit gonna get real. I don't know. I'm a true believer, man. Listen. I know for a fact Oh, that fucking vessel I get on is something serious. I'm telling you, that bitch is something serious. That bitch, man, that bitch will make the whole state dark. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, that bitch is huge. That bitch is something serious. I just know it. I just know it in my bones. That bitch is something serious. Anything else, Tim? Anything else? So y'all gonna have to trust y'all instincts on this one. Waterfall is the last card I'm gonna take. It says effortless. DNA karma. I'm telling you, something is just about to flow into our life, y'all. Waterfall, effortless. At the bottom of the deck, we have DNA karma. This is our good karma. Nothing on this earth, on that earthly simulation mattered to us. We wanted to be attached to this shit until we realized that we had to detach from this shit. We had to detach from the ego, they physical. That's what was holding us down. That's what was holding us down. And our blood is our good karma. Our DNA is our good karma. To have the blood that pumps through that flows through your veins, my dear, that's your good karma. You are an amazing person to be who you are to this day. Regardless of what this fucking physical simulation did not give you, what they took from you, all the L's that you receive, all the negative that you receive, all the bad, the ugly, the hideous, the scandalous, the filth, everything that you're not made of, you received. Regardless of all that, the blood that flows through your body is your good karma. You should be happy, you who you are, because your blood is what saves you. And I can tell you right now, it's not a lot of yous. It's not a lot of us. It's not. So, you should feel, that within this self, sweetheart. I had to take a deep breath on that one, y'all. That's a blessing. What a blessing. What a blessing to have your DNA. And that's why these people can't fuck with you. That's why they can't fuck with you. But that's why they done all that other shit, because they were so jealous of you. Like, imagine these filthy rich ass scientists pissed off because their creation still ain't great as you, ain't nowhere near compared to you. And they pissed off because no matter how much of they fucking funds and energy, blood, sweat, and tears they put in it, they still felt. All of them felt. Because they still can't go where you going. And you going there regardless. Fuck these people. Even the blinds, the wind just pushed the blinds open. I told y'all nature speaking. Even nature say it again. Loud and clear. Fuck these people. We about to get on down the road. Oh. Don't get on down. All right, y'all. Let's get into this read. Let's get into our read. God bless the truth already. Wow, we ain't even got into this read, and ancestors just said, "God bless the truth already." And you know what? I'm feeling that. I am. I'm feeling it. Okay. Okay. So I was just trying to find me a playlist, guys. Some of y'all could be just getting up out the bed. So, first song's playing is Sure Thing by Miguel. Oh, look what's at the bottom of the deck, y'all. A towel. This look like destruction. I'm telling you, this shit happening. It looks like destruction. It's like shit is really fucking happening. So let's see what your first card is, guys. Wolf came out, which is number one. I'm getting this is all about you guys. You guys need to trust your instincts. Some stuff is going down, guys, but you know, I mean, I'm not talking to you guys. I'm telling you, you guys are so fucking y'all already on it, man. Y'all already on it. Y'all teaching me. So let's see what we get. What's Wolf and Instinct team? Let's see what this shit. Ace of Cups. Ace of Cups is coming into someone's life. You need to trust your instincts on this Ace of Cups. This is divine feminine coming. Something comes after heartbreak. Three of Swords is at the bottom. So you could have been experiencing a heartbreak. But happiness comes. So if you're experiencing any type of breakup, you was grieving behind a breakup, you probably thought that, you know, you could have put love on hold, you know. You could have said, yeah, without fuck love for right now. You know, you all me, I'm focusing on me. That's fine and dandy too. But an Ace of Cups, a new beginning is coming. And Aces is origins. So for instincts to come out, and it came out as a number one, which is origins, beginnings. You need to trust your instinct on this new beginning that is coming. Just trust your instinct on it. So let's see. Anything else for Wolf and Instinct team? It's a sure thing. That's why sure thing played number one. The beginning of the playlist is number one. So you could be saying 111 a lot. You could be seeing threes a lot. You could be embodying some Empress energy too as well. Three of Wands too. You probably need to start planning because something is about to. It's gonna have to come. It's about to be a shock in your life. Um, it's gonna come. Lovers and friends playing right now. You guys could be going from friends to lovers. But it's like he just said, it's on. It's a tower that's about to take place in somebody's life, and it's dealing with a fucking relationship, a big cup of fucking love, something fucking new. All of it is fucking new. It's a blessing. It's a fucking blessing. It's gonna come to you as a fucking shock. It's gonna be like a big fucking. It's a shift. It's just gonna hit you like bam, and it's there. It's gonna be in your fucking face. God gonna be like, here you go. With the Tower and the Ace of Cups, this gonna fucking blow your mind. This relationship is going to blow your mind. Whatever this big ass cup of love is, it's gonna blow your mind. You just gotta trust your instincts on it. It's life changing. Child, it's King of Pentacles. Oh, it's a lot of one energy. And he's addicted to telling you the fucking truth. Ooh, it's the King of Pentacles. So, divine feminine. This is for divine feminine energy I'm getting with this wolf and instinct. You alone are wolf right now. You've been, that's why you're alone the wolf, because you trust your instincts and you had to clean closet. So that's exactly why you're alone the wolf, because I get that you are very wise. You're a very wise wolf. So you trust your instincts, so you don't clean out closet. You rock solo. So who I'm getting, you someone who rocks solo. This person don't ask them for no friends. They really solo dolo on everything. They wise as fuck. So the people in their lives, they had to get rid of them. This person don't run in no pack. This person do everything alone. So this divine feminine is a very different feminine, because most feminine at least got about 10 motherfucking friends, and they click 10, 12 clicks, 5 best friends. A lot of females just hang around with a lot of fucking females. But this female is quite different. She's experienced, because the Three of Swords was at the bottom. So she's experienced her heartbreaks, her suffering, and her griefs. But something so fucking new is about to shock this divine feminine motherfucking world. And it's a masculine. He's some King of Pentacles energy. He's in some King of Pentacle energy. It's so much a fucking passion that he has for this divine feminine. It's like it's coming out strong as fuck. This man is so much of one energy. We got the devil card here with the ace of wands, with the three of wands, with the page of wands, with the sun. I'm telling you, like, it's some addictions. It's like it's kind of like not even. It's, oh, I don't even know what to call this, but I can feel it. I just felt it. It's like someone is completely taken over. Like, they live, they breathe, they eat, they think, they every fucking thing is this new beginning is you. So they have got addicted to this new beginning. The power, the energy that this masculine receives from knowing that this new beginning, and him preparing for this new beginning, it's got him in some very fucking I gotta have it energy on everything. I just heard scientist, so this person could be a fucking scientist too. You could have a fucking scientist on you. That could be true too, because this motherfucker is of, I don't know. It depends on what type of scientist he is too. He could be an earthly scientist, so somebody who studies the earth. Yeah. Wow. And lay your head on my pillow playing. Oh, he on this energy tough though with the devil card, Capricorn energy, Ace of Wands, and all this shit could be happening around this time with this Capricorn energy too. It got intense around Capricorn season, y'all. That's why the Ace of Wands here. It got intense. It's like on some. Look, he said, I've got some things I never. Look, the Three of Wands with the Page of Wands. That's when you put these two. That's 4 wands. I'm telling you, that's the planning. And then there go you, sunshine, sunshine. Got this motherfucker man up at night. I can't sleep, baby. Somebody got somebody studying, but you know what though? Who am I talking to right now? These superhuman ass motherfucking divine feminine and divine masculine. Of course, people go. Of course, this is gonna be the energy. Like you would pull it. Like who the fuck and what the fuck that is? And who is she? Oh, she not from here, bro. Oh, okay, no wonder. Oh, that's Area 51? Oh, yeah, that's Area 51. No wonder. Y'all, Area 51 divine people that got these motherfuckers. You know. Oh, we trending now, okay. Us alien females trending now, guys. So, you know. Everybody want an alien female now. Fuck. Okay, y'all. Let's see what rain and purification is, guys. What's rain and purification, team? 8 of Wands. Something is definitely coming. It's energy-wise. Wands is energetic. So, it's definitely energy-wise. It's very strong. This is very strong, fast, quick rains coming up out of nowhere, guys. The 8 of Wands can mean like speed of light, fast, just something coming in. So when you look at this rain card, and I kept telling y'all, look at how the rain is. It's just fucking falling, and the wind is blowing this fog. I'm telling you. Something coming in, y'all. So just be paying attention, y'all. Ooh, lay your head down. Ooh, don't make me dance. So it's going to be some message coming. It's purification. Something is being purified. So it's purification coming in. And baby, someone is... Ooh. It's a God. It's God energy. Purifying. It's a God energy. God and love. God and love. God purifying. Somebody woke God up. Somebody could be from the ghetto, live in the ghetto. The ghetto is playing right now by Too Short. Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups is some goddess energy. It's a goddess energy. She's purification. She's purifying herself. Wow. These motherfuckers watching. Something else is going down. They watching, guys. These storm chasers. People who watch shit. Like with Page of Swords, this is people who get paid to watch shit. So news reporters, meteorologists, all these motherfucking people, global people who study the climate and all this other shit everywhere. All eyes is on some type of divine feminine energy right now that is connected with the weather. Storms like rain and purification is coming through. It's like her energy. I'm getting energy with the Eight of Wands with the Queen of Cups. What's rain, King? Eight of Cups. I'm getting like evacuation energy all over this Eight of Cups stuff. Whatever is coming, it was this goddess energy purifying herself. The wind's blowing too. It was some type of goddess energy, divine feminine goddess energy. She was purifying herself. Purification. I just heard she's about to receive. That's crazy. This man just said people are dying, and I got evacuation energy. I just heard don't have enough to eat. Like some weathers is coming, and these weathers that is coming is divine feminine purifying herself. She is cleansing. And I told y'all, like, when she cleans, she's gonna cleanse. It's some energy to where the waters are gonna have it's like some rising water energy and people gotta evacuate. Something about an eclipse plays a big role too. Some type of eclipse may play a big role. So man said trying to get up out the ghetto. Trying to survive. It's gonna come to a point where people need to start making self survival kits and making plans on how to survive. Yep. Um, it's gonna. So yeah. See, four of Pentacles. Four of Pentacles is about reserving, being resourceful, saving, and everything else. Like it's gonna come. People need to start saving. Only personal objects and shit like that. They don't want me saying this, but it's like it's about to be a wake up call. This is gonna be a wake up call, guys. That's probably why tsunami is out too. Let's see what tsunami is. Wake up call. People need to start preparing. But y'all, since last year, I've been warning people, and they have people that came out way before fucking me, been warning people about something is going to, but you know, it's prophecy, guys, that even in these days, people still gonna be partying, still participating in a lot of sinful activities. They're not gonna give a fuck until it's too late. Until it's too late, and then it's gonna be a wake up call because it's gonna be so many. And I saw it clear as day. Me and my son and my son girlfriend friend was talking, and we was like, you know, the thing is, when it happens, it's gonna be too fucking late. It's gonna be, I said, it's gonna be such a large amount go so fucking quickly. It's gonna be a shocker to the whole fucking simulation that this shit is not nothing to be playing with whatso fucking ever, because then you'll have to say to yourself, what in the fuck? And then that's when survival kicks the fuck in. And then that's when the wake up call kicks the fuck in. It was just that 4 4 4 4. So that's very symbolic to the tsunami, guys. And then we have the Four of Pentacles at the bottom. So that's 5 4s confirming it. And fours is all about foundation and stability. So I really say to those, get your foundation stabilized. Get your shit together. Let's see, guys. Brick House is playing right now, but let me tell you something to you chosen ones. You know, it's going to be some heartbreaking griefs. Lord have mercy. I just told y'all, it's going to be sad, y'all. A large amount, guys. A large fucking amount. This is nothing to play with. Look at the clouds. Since the clouds this is going to be a fucking horrible wake-up call for tsunami, wake-up call, and the Three of Swords to come out. Brick House is playing right now. You chosen ones. Your house gonna stand. This is what they speak about with the builders. You're the stone that the builders rejected. So guess what, chosen ones? Guess what, you chosen stones? You will stand. Your foundation will stand. Child, something powerful. It's gonna be powerful, y'all. Ace of Wands. This here, whatever this is coming, that's gonna be a wake-up call, gonna be record-breaking with the Ace of Wands. It's gonna be a record-breaking fucking storm. It's gonna be historic. It's gonna be historic. Whatever it is, it's gonna be historic. It's gonna be powerful. Child, look what's at the bottom. An end gotta come. But a rebirth will come. The Death card. It ain't coming. It's gonna wipe out so much of evil, the rich, the evil ones, all these ones that did so much of satanic shit, devil worshiping shit. Everyone that caused it heartbreak and grief towards others out of pure spite and envy and jealous. I'm talking about all kind of fucking low life ass works that these people been doing. Those are gonna be the ones that get wiped the fuck out, and not even the rich nor the highest of their religious motherfucking leaders will be able to buy their way up out of what's coming. But the beautiful thing about the Death card is that we do know that death and rebirth comes. So it will be a beautiful death, but a beautiful rebirth. That's gonna come to these land, to their simulation. Their simulation will be destroyed. But a rebirth, something beautiful comes from that. Let's see, that's why completion right here. This tree still stands, so a rebirth will come. Full moon. Let's see what full moon is. Completions. Ooh, someone want to kiss you through the phone. Let's see what full moon is. Completion. What the fuck? I don't even need to go no more. Stop playing with me, bro. Stop playing with me, bro. Stop playing with me, bro. The world. Completion. It was just that 48. That's very symbolic. Ooh, somebody said you my future wifey. Completion is done. What's understood don't need to be explained. That's what they said, y'all. Clouds. Y'all about to start seeing some shit. Expansion. Come on now. Let's see what cloud shape shifting is. Ooh, somebody said kiss me through the phone. Somebody watching you through the phone and they want to kiss you. Then they say see you later on. Somebody could have been like a soldier at a very young age. So that Soldier Boy playing, and I just got like somebody could have went to the military, like at a very young age. So let's see what clouds and shapeshifting is. Page of Wands. So it's gonna be like a message comes, and I'm getting the Page of Wands. You're gonna know it. Some type of message. You're gonna feel it. It's gonna be felt. It's gonna be felt. Cloud shapeshifting. Child, something gonna happen, y'all. It's gonna happen. With the Wheel of Fortune right here, it becomes somebody's lucky fucking day. It becomes somebody's lucky day. Something happens. Something happens with destiny, with something happens in this big ass motherfucking doll that we live on, this platform, and it's a doll, and you just spin that bitch, and something happens. Destiny aligns, something fucking happens. Six of Cups at the bottom, like something happens with you, your family. You going back to your family. I'm getting families and lovers being reunited. Lovers and friends. Then this song playing Before I Let You Go. You always hear this song at fucking family reunions, family celebrations, gatherings and shit. And the vibes is peaceful. Something fucking happens. And Before I Let You Go playing, and y'all leaving. Y'all leaving the fuck. Y'all leaving. It's like a message about the way this person looking up. It's like, you mean to tell me I gotta go? You gonna fucking, I don't know. This person have on a hard hat. Like, something happened. It's like the clouds opened up. Look at these clouds, y'all. It's like the clouds open up and you like, well, what do you fucking know? All this fucking time, something is going to happen. Shape shifting. Look at the Wheel of Fortune card. Real good, guys. The clouds are going to open the fuck up. And you're going to be like, what the it's a message gonna come through loud and clear. That message gonna be for you. You gonna know that bitch for you. You gonna be like, well, what do you know? There's my vessel. Well, what do you fucking know? Last man standing there to get the last man. I'm hearing your vessel is always near you. Page of Pentacles. You're going to receive something. You the key. Child, you the key. That is the key. You the key. You are the key to that. So, these motherfuckers designed a little bit different. I'm telling you. I'm seeing it. Like, you may enter. I don't know how y'all gonna go on y'all vessel, but I'm coming through that bitch stepping. What? Ooh. I'm like, I knew it, bro. I just fucking knew it, bro. Let's go. I want to do my vessel got a ball on that bitch. Because your girl about to celebrate. I don't give a fuck. We about to celebrate. Look at how they start my music. They gonna sit there and ask, "Are you still listening, bitch?" You know I'm listening. Fuck. These haters. Yeah, y'all can't get on that bitch because you know one motherfucker thing, bitch. We are the key. That's your page of pentacles, baby. Listen at it before I let go. Waterfall, effortless. Ooh. Y'all, we about to party. Ooh. Da, 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 da. Okay. Effortless, a magician out here. It's just that easy. Someone knows. Some y'all have, man. It comes just that easy for you guys. It flows. Y'all in magician energy, so it flows. 5555 just now. Just flows through you. You're just magical beings, guys. So let's see. Knight of Swords. Effortless. Waterfall. Look at that. It flows. Something is just coming through. It's just going to happen so... Wait no more. 3 of Pentacles. 4 Wands. Ace of Pentacles. I'm telling you, you're about to get some information. Hey, you know, you that being that need to, yeah. Wait, what? Yeah. Look, ready to support you every step of the way. Yeah, you know, we special beings sitting here for you guys. You gotta get, it's time for y'all to go. It's just that easy. It's gonna flow just that easy, guys. It's just that easy. You could be like, wait, what? I'm a what? Oh, listen at her. She just said, I know a place. And she just said, I'll take you there. Okay, let me cut up for a second. Ain't no smart. Oh, wait. Lying to the racist. I'm telling you. Yo, this song used to be literally on repeat. The Staple Singers. I'm telling you. Y'all better get the fuck. Y'all about to get the fuck. Don't believe me. Just fucking watch, bro. It's like, welcome to your home. Close the fucking front door. You mean to tell me this is my home? I'm telling you. Close the front door. No, that's all yours. What you mean, door? This is land, dear. This is all yours. You mean to tell me all this time they had me stuck down there in a little rag-ass prison planet, and I kept knowing something wasn't right? This hangman energy, you just kept knowing something wasn't right. Yeah, bro, I'm telling you. It's all good. Look what y'all about to be turning up in a second. I'm telling you, team, y'all about to be turning up in a second. What the fuck, Divine Feminine? I'm telling you. Ooh, they watching you, Divine Feminine. Divine Feminine and Divine Masculine. They watching y'all. And you know that's their job, though. They get paid to do it. All right, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this reading. Peace, guys.